What is a connector? A connector is a device that terminates a segment of cabling, or provides a point of entry, for networking devices such as computers, hubs and routers. Connectors can be distinguished according to their physical appearance and mating properties, such as jacks and plugs, male connectors, or sockets and ports, female connectors. They can also be distinguished by their different pinning configurations, such as DB9 and DB15 connectors, which have 9 and 15 pins respectively. In addition, connectors are distinguished by the kind of electrical interfaces they support. Examples of different types of connectors include connectors for serial interfaces, such as our S232 and V35. Ethernet connectors, such as our J45 and BNC connectors. Fiber-optic cabling connectors, such as SC and ST connectors. There are literally dozens of types of connectors used in networking, and the networking professional needs to be familiar with many of them. This illustration shows some of the common connector types, used in different aspects of networking and telecommunications. BNC connectors, for coaxial cabling. DB connectors, for data communication. V-series connectors. RJ connectors such as RJ11 and RJ45. Centronics connectors, for printers and other peripherals. Fiber-optic connectors, like ST or SC. HD connectors, for display monitors. SCSI connectors, for SCSI devices. Watch our videos about each of the connectors mentioned here, as they are being published. If you want to learn more about networking concepts and definitions, don't forget to press the subscribe button. To be notified when our channel releases another video, click also on the bell icon. And don't forget to visit our website, networkencyclopedia.com.